Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Byte Boost, and in this topic we are going to discuss about how you can use filter formula. And before to that we have covered VLOOKUP versus XLOOKUP, SUMIF, and COUNTIF. If you haven't watched all this video, the link has been given above. You can check out all this video. And you are new to this channel, do not forget to like and subscribe whenever we will upload the video. You will get the notification immediately. So let's jump into the topic without any delay. So here we do have this table, and in this table we are going to use filter function. So it would be better we will use this filter function here. Now we will use this filter function, and it is asking for array. Which one is our array? So this is our array. So here I'll just pick B700, which that is my data range. Now include, it is asking for which column you would like to, or for which value you would like to filter your data. So simply to do that, what we can do is we would like to filter this entire array. So first let me add F here, and here let's B2 and B700. Now we have to give equal to, and then for an example we are checking out for this value. So simply we can write C A double R E T E R A. And now if we will close the bracket and if we will enter, then you can see this total in this column, whatever the value is reflecting is character, and all the value is reflecting on the same. Now if we would like to make this table dynamic, and for an example for any value we would select from this drop down, so automatically this table is supposed to be changed. So to do that, from here we have to remove this one, and we will just give the cell reference where the value is reflecting, or the value we would like to filter for our table. So now once we will enter, so now it is showing the same. But if you will go to the drop down and if you will select anything, so all the values it will be reflect as per of this value. So now if you will select this Montana, so all this table is showing the values for this specific table. So for an example, if you have huge table where there are a lot of the same values are in the same column, and you want only specific value data in your table, so simply you can use this filter function. So I hope you understood how you can use this filter function. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can simple write on the comment section, and on the next we are going to upload the video soon. Till that time, stay tuned with Byte Boost and take care. Bye bye.